Hello, imaginary friends. Welcome to Ginger Cat DIY. And this is the second part of the last UV resin that I did. So in this one, I make a little vial, one of the ones that you saw towards the beginning of the video before, and I make a mermaid kind of scene in there, and it looked really cool before I took the beauty shots. And I took beauty shots of them originally, and when I say take, I mean I didn't have the camera on, and I'm really frustrated because something happened to the UV resin. I cured it. What I also is not shown is that when I cured the inside, I cured it from the top for 30 seconds, from the back side for 30 seconds, and then the front side for 30 seconds. And then I tapped it. It seemed solid, and then I put the cork in, did the little screw-on bit, more UV resin, did the light, and turned it, and there was a bubble in it, and that was weird. So I put it on my porch in the sunlight midday, and well, you'll see. I decided to make one of these little jars, and I have some sand that I also got at the Dollar Tree, and let's see what I can come up with that, and some of this glitter, and let's take a look. Put the funnel in. I'm using the sand because I figured it would take up a lot of space in there, and I won't need to use so much resin. And some glitter. Ow. Oh. Ugh. Ooh, that is pretty. Here's one thing I didn't account for.
Then it's gonna all stick up on the side.
It's gonna stick up all up on the side. All right, I cleaned up the sand from the side as best as I could. And I probably should have mixed it outside and then scooped it in. I don't know how I would have. This is a tiny, tiny hole. And then just kind of packed it down. I think it looks good. And it's wavy in here now, but it's water, so of course it's gonna be a little wavy, and that's fine. All right, let's bake it. Ooh, that's cute. Here's my alcohol inks. Yeah, they're messy. It's kind of the life. All right, so let's squeeze you in there. What are you looking for? Are you suggesting one to me?
A turquoise?
Do you want to introduce yourself? We haven't actually formally met.
Oh, we haven't formally met. Wow, that's awkward. I am Ryan.
Hello, Ryan.
Hello.
He is Human Man.
I am Human Man. Yes. And I'm here to craft. Yay.
Make things weird.
Yes.
All right. I mean, I just
Tiniest
want
hint of that might.
not even a hint.
Yeah, just a whiff.
Just a nice to meet you. Like, not even that much.
Oh, that's a good idea.
I know. I am the smartiest girl.
Mm-hmm.
Don't look at those anymore. All right. And let's give some color. Ooh. Oh. Ah, that's beautiful.
Oh yeah, just the right suggestion of color.
Nope, get back down there. Nope, 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 nope. You get back down there too. No, you are not wanted up here.
I have found the offending dribble.
All right, and there are a few bubbles, but you know what? That is okay. It's underwater, right? Right. Oh, weird.
Ooh, yeah.
You can't see it probably, but there. That's a cool effect. Also, I don't think that I'm gonna have my top-down camera straight down. I might angle it as I learn how to YouTubes better. I don't know. What do you think, audience that needs a name? This is like, I don't even know what episode this is gonna be. This is gonna be like 2 or 3. I don't have an audience yet.
Yeah, for now your audience's name can be, hey you. Yeah, that one right there.
Hey, my imaginary friends. Ah. All right, so I'm gonna use this little tiny little dolphin decal here. I think I'm gonna stick him in by his tail. These are really cool. I got them on Amazon. I have a whole bunch. They have a backing on them, so when you first get them, they're really hard to see. That they don't look like they're very good graph. Oh no. Okay. Oh, I don't have a lot of fine motor skills right now. In you go. Little dolphin, in you go. Oh, I should have trimmed him a little better. That's cute.
He's doing a nosedive. He's playing like dolphins do.
He's playing because there's going to be a mermaid and she's going to be watching him dive. Okay. Well, it's okay if he sticks out a little bit. I really thought I planned this better. Oh, you're upside down playing. Don't be upside down, dolphin. You've got dreams of love and treasure.
Yes, upside down sea life kind of denotes done playing.
No!
Reincarnation time.
All right, you sexy, sexy mermaid. Let's see about squeezing you in there. This got really ambitious. I went from just like mixing a couple of stones into a bottle. Oh, I heard a snap. I hope that's just her bones. Not her bones.
Not her bones. That was just her fingers.
No, you don't need 10 of them.
She's already trying to play with the dolphin. Hey you.
Oh, is that what she's doing?
Yeah.
Okay, that wasn't her breaking herself. It's Ginger Cat Mermaid. Broken thumb. There we go. She looks cute, kind of hanging out the top. Whoop, whoop. Oh no, don't touch each other. Oh, leave some room for the Holy Ghost. Ghosts. Oh, it's not that kind of a jar. I will make a ghost one. That'd be fun, don't you think?
Yeah.
All right, you need more resin. Oh, I'm sweating.
Oh.
Let's fill her up, Buttercup. I don't know why this hand is here. It's pretending like it's doing something.
It's a sympathetic hand.
It thinks it's real. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Kind of wanted it to have more of a 3D look, where they weren't like stuck to the edge. Oh, that is so cool. But I think that the mermaid lives on the edge now. Oh, there we go.
Some do. Living on the edge. Oh yeah. Tail in, face at the glass. She's doing little blowfishies.
All right.
That's okay.
Yep. And ooh, that's hot. Of course it's hot. I don't know why we crafters feel that it's not gonna be hot, but it is. But oh my God, that's adorable.
Yeah.
I'm brilliant.
Sea life.
Some bubbles at the top, but I didn't give it a chance to settle down. I am going to turn this into a charm. That is hot.
Oh. And grab it with the wipey.
That might be good. Well, I mean, one, it's resin. Resin gets hot when it cures. And two, I just stuck it under a UV light. I might need it like an actual jewelry tool, which I have.
Here we go.
Or push pin.
Nail first to give yourself a starter hole.
Oh, no, that's way too big.
Well, I'm the same, but then very far.
Way.
Just a bit of it.
Way too big!
Okay.
Tools. Oh, do you close well enough? I don't know if you close well enough anymore. Ugh. Tools that you have seen. Ah! Tools that you've seen already with the toolbox. I don't know if you've actually seen it. What?
Did a magic. Still hot?
It's warm. Ah, that hurt my thumb. Okay. I promise that I craft well, I design well, I have a very logical brain. Sometimes things are just more awkward than they need to be. So let's use the UV resin, how a lot of people use their UV resin to put things together. Okay, I see that there is a bubble there, and I'm going to spread this out. That might not be enough. Pop. Seal the cork so that it can last over time. Little drop.
Oh boy, that should be enough.
Okay. Let that soak in. Stop being a bubble. Put that around the edges.
Well, it won't be too dry.
No, it won't. There we go. through there. Let's use the side. There. All right, let's bake it. Okay. All right, let's clean it off one more time and take a look. Oh. Oh no!
What?
Look at the bubble.
Oh, it's still liquid.
It's still liquid inside.
Well, that might need to just sit in the window or outside on the deck rail. And
Yeah.
it gets plenty enough UV.
Oh, what
It's
happened?
probably just thick and then glass. Trying to get UV light into there is challenging.
Well, it's not a fail. It's not a fail yet. It's not a failure.
No, it's contained.
It is contained. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stick this out on the porch for a while and get some late May UV from the Pacific Northwest sunshine. You know how that strong that sunshine is.
Well, it's better now than it has been.
Yeah, it is a beautiful day out there. So we'll just let that cure outside for a while and then clean up this mess and then on to another activity.
Yay.
But not for this video. Do things. Do things you don't know how to do. Try new things. Explore. Create. Embrace your muchness.
Mm-hmm.
That is what I've learned. No, experiment. Try things. You can do things. Create a YouTube channel with your imagination and a dream of an empire. I don't know. Let's go back to this. So here you can see, maybe you can see where it's starting to get red and puffy. That is an allergic reaction starting to happen. You can see my skin bubbling a little bit. And I was wearing gloves the whole time. So they are nitrile gloves because I'm also allergic to latex. But yeah, that's how allergic I am. And typically when I do regular resin, I double glove, so. All right, before I do my beauty shots of these, what? It wasn't fully cured. I don't know what happened. What? Is it because I sealed it before? I don't know, folks. Oh, is it still? I don't think it's even finished curing, or I don't know. I left it outside for about a half an hour or so. But I don't know what happened. It was so cute. It was so gorgeous. It's a look. Somebody let me know what happened. Yeah, let's do some beauty shots. I don't know what happened. I put the word out on Instagram, but I don't have a lot of followers. Ginger Cat DIY is very new as of right now, so building my empire. I'm not building an empire. I don't want an empire. So very new. I'll have more social medias down the road if there's interest. They're all gonna say the same thing, so. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell.